You probably already know this, but I actually trade every single day and send those trades into my BLW Signals group. Well, all of those trades you can actually copy, apply into your broker's account, and still make a lot of money. Well, in this specific video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you're supposed to copy my trades, when you're supposed to close my trades, when you're supposed to open my trades, and basically everything in regards to my signal so that you can actually start making money today. Let's go ahead and do that. Hey everyone, Christian here on YouTube. Welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to copy my personal trades. Yes, the trades that I send on a daily basis and that I take myself in positions. So hey, if you're new to my channel and you're into Forex, crypto, or any type of making money online, this channel is for you. Hit that subscribe button below and let's begin. All right, for those of you who are not familiar, I actually send my trades. Let me just go ahead and find the group literally right here. On a daily basis, I actually place my positions, my normal trades, but I actually send my setups in this specific website, this Telegram channel. So as you can see, it said morning people. I send US 30 setups, buy stop, sell stops. And I also do the exact same thing over here on NASDAQ. Buy stop, sell stop. We hit a 1-to-1 at 7:36 a.m. On NASDAQ, we hit a stop loss. US 30 kept on coming. We see right here the profitability that we have right here in US 30. 2-to-1 on US 30. I think it reached a 3-to-1. I'm not sure, but this is exactly where I send my trades. So what is it that I sent? I sent the entry price, as you can see, EP, entry price. We sent the stop loss and I sent the take profit. And I also send the direction, buy stop or sell stop. Buy limit, sell limit, I almost never send, but it's good that you understand the difference. But yeah, this is exactly where I send my trades. But before I explain to you exactly how you're supposed to copy my trades, you should know which one is the best prop firm for 2025. And obviously the prop firm is literally this one right here called All Prime. All Prime is the actual prop firm that I've been using for months and months and months. It's almost a year, I think, by now. Basically, it says #1 prop firm in the USA. We pay our traders in 1 hour. That's actually nice. I'm not in the US, so I'm not sure exactly how you're supposed to join. But if they put it on their website, it pretty much means that you can go ahead and use it. Basically, all you have to do is choose whatever challenge is the one that you want to, the Forex challenge, for instance, and you can select exactly what amount you want to be funded with. It could be from $5,000 to $300,000. They have a lot of discounts all over the place, all the time happening so that you could actually, afford a bigger account. For instance, this $100,000 account is a 50% off at the time of recording this video for $274. The platforms, MT4, MT5, DXTrade, Trader, and Match Trader. All of those platforms available for All Prime. So yeah, big shout out to this company. I'm gonna have the link to it in the description of this video. If by any chance there are no discounts with any account that you want to purchase at the time that you decide to join, the time that you're watching this, you can use the promo code BLW15 and you'll get a 15% off. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Go ahead and join. It all comes to this. This is exactly the moment where I send my trades. Around 7:20, 7:10 to 7:15, something like that is exactly when I send my trades. As you can see, this trade opened up at 7 a.m. So this is exactly where I see the resistance and support level. I'll do the analysis, okay? All you gotta do is pretty much apply the trades, okay? But I'll do the analysis. Now, if you notice, I'm always going through breakouts. I'm expecting this resistance level to break out. You can place the pending order at the moment that I send my trades, or you can wait till market opens. What happens is that if you wait, there are some times when the trades get activated before market opens, but you can just open it at the time that I send the signal, and 99% of the times you'll be okay. So as you can see right here, this is the signal that I sent. This is what happened. Market opened, boom, it went straight to the 2-to-1 and then it started to retract a little bit. It came back on and I think it hit a 3-to-1. I'm not even sure. Now it started to drop right here, but as you can see, it's even still active, but it almost hit a 3-to-1. On US 30, something very similar happened, which is right here. I send the trade right there. All right, so this is 7:15. The next candlestick is the one that opened the market, and this is what happened. Boom. 1 to 1 immediately. Second one, boom, 2 to 1 immediately. And then I think it started to retract. Yep. And now it actually finished. And let's say that it hit the stop loss. But how is it that you're supposed to follow these specific signals? That's what's important. Now, what is it that you need to do? It's actually not that hard to understand. I'm waiting for breakouts. For instance, here, I might have been too conservative because this would have been an amazing breakout entry right here. But what I'm looking for is for breakouts of support and resistance. So whenever there is a support breakout, we trust that the price will continue to go down. And whenever there is a resistance breakout, we trust that the price is actually going to go up. Okay? As simple as that. Now, like I said, you can open the trades when I send the trades. I usually wait to send them like at 7:20 a.m. because there you have like 10 minutes to place the pending order so that you have plenty of time. But if you want to wait up until market opens and just use this as a reference, you can do it as well. It's really, really, really up to you. Okay? Now, when are you supposed to close the trades? One thing that I can tell you up front is that there are going to be trades that are going to go immediately to the take profit level, and there are going to be trades that are not going to have big momentum. Like today, we have some momentum, but we had better days. This is a buy limit. We have better days in the past. Take a look at this buy limit as well. Oh, I'm 5 minutes. And so there are going to be days when big momentum is actually going to take place. And if that happens, then basically the trade is going to go straight to the take profit. But if it doesn't happen, this is what I recommend you to do. Close some profits at 1 to 1 and then move your stop loss to break even. Again, close half of your profits at 1 to 1 and then move the stop loss to break even. Then you can close the rest of your profits, can be a 2 to 1, 3 to 1, whatever. It's really up to you. Why is that? So that you're not gonna lose, like regardless. And especially if you're gonna be risking, let's say 1% of your balance, you're gonna be making 0.50% on every single trade. That's not bad at all. So again, close the trades at 1 to 1, half of it, and move your stop loss to break even. That's what I would recommend you if you're a completely new trader and you want to just be told what to do. But if you have a little bit of experience, then go ahead and use trailing stop. What is trailing stop? Trailing stop, the way I recommend it is whenever it hits a 1 to 1, move your stop loss to the break even. Whenever it hits the 2 to 1, move your stop loss to the 1 to 1. Whenever it hits the 3 to 1, move the stop loss to 2 to 1, and so on. What you accomplish with it is that, for instance, right here, it hit it hit a 1 to 1. There you go. You move your stop loss to break even. Then the next one hit a 2 to 1. It didn't hit the break even, but then it retracted most likely. I'm not 100% sure because I'm not, in front of it right now. Let me just go ahead in 5 minutes. Yeah, right here. We moved this to break even, and then right here, it reached the 3 to 1. We move the stop loss to the 1 to 1. That means that we guarantee that we're going to have a 1 to 1 winning at least. Then we let it go. Let's see if it actually touches right here, or it continues to go, or it continued. Oh, it hit the stop loss at 1 to 1. If it would have jumped to 3 to 1, I would have moved my stop loss to 2 to 1 and guarantee myself 2% profits, and so on. Now, this is a little bit more complicated to do, especially since we are scalping, but it's definitely a great way to guarantee you some profits. Like, obviously, what could happen is that it hits a 1 to 1 and then goes back and breaks even. But you didn't lose any money, okay? It's really up to you. Or you can make a combination. You can just close 50% of your balance at 1 to 1, and then the rest of it, go ahead and do trailing stop. It's really, really up to you. This is what I personally do is at 1 to 1, I close my profits, and then I close the rest of my profits whenever I see that momentum stop. For instance, at this resistance level, literally right here, I see that it's pushing, but it's not touching. I will close it right there, almost 3 to 1. Why? So that I don't actually waste more time, because I usually disconnect myself like around 8 a.m. in the morning. For instance, right here, I stop my session right there, literally on this candle. So I don't even care what happens next. I can close it right here at 1.5 risk reward, and I'm good. 1.5% profits. It's always good. So hopefully that actually makes sense. Hey, but if by any chance you don't want to go through all the process yourself of placing the trades, doing the trailing stop and so on, I do have available the BLW Forex Copy Trader, which is this website right here. And basically what we do is we place the trades for US 30, NASDAQ, and DAX in the BLW Forex Copy Trader. What I mean is that instead of you placing the trade, all you're gonna have to do is like pretty much provide us with your account so that we can connect it to a master account that it's placing trades, and that way you can actually make some profits on passive income without you trading. Now this is just optional. If by any chance you want to check it out, I'm gonna have the link to it in the description of this video. It's blwforexcopytrader.com. Check it out. We got monthly, 6-month, and 1-year plan. Amazing prices, absolutely great. Before you join, go ahead and check the website so that you can see if you're eligible to it. But yeah, go ahead and check it out right now. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video, and if you did, go ahead and smash the like button, support this YouTube channel. And more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, you can always use the comment section below, and I'll be glad to answer those comments as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.